That's a true fact. We experience this, right? The dog is barking and it is running. And after a few 500 meters or so, it goes. Second, after a few minutes, another dog or the same dog follows another car for some distance. Just imagine the dog overtakes. The dog overtakes the car. Just imagine a dog would. क्या कर लेगा? What will it achieve? कुछ अचीव करेगा? कुछ अचीव नहीं करेगा. What is the lesson you got from this? What is the lesson you got from this?
Even if we earn more money than environment, what do we do?
Intelligent. It is like your following such people is a criminal wastage of your valuable human lifetime. It is of no use. It is like a dog running besides a car with an hope. I don't know what, I have never gone inside the body and felt what it must be feeling. But the bottom line is, max, it's racing with you. Even if it races ahead and wins the race, what is it going to achieve? You are going to take a turn and go. The dog is going to come back to its own area. When it goes to another area, the other dogs will bark and send it back. Right? This is how. So next time when you are wasting, remember these words. And stop, not just remember and laugh it out. Implement it in life. जीवन में उतारना उसको. ऐसा वक्त बर्बाद मत कर. Then you become जिज्ञासु. तो कुत्ता भी जिज्ञासु है, याद रखना. Whenever a dog runs with your car, जिज्ञासु कुत्ता है. It's trying to run with me. That's it. So third, first was आर्थो जिज्ञासु, अर्थार्थी. अर्थार्थी मतलब बस मेरे को पैसा चाहिए, ओनली मनी. उसके लिए भक्ति करने वाला भी नवरात्रि में व्रत रखेंगे, एक टांग पे खड़ा रहेंगे, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, सब करेंगे फॉर व्हाट? बस माता का मेहर हो जाए मेरे पे, पैसा गिरे, बारिश, पैसे का बारिश हो जाए, दिस एंड दैट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, ज्ञानी. एंड लॉर्ड सेइंग इन द नेक्स्ट वर्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. One minute. तेषां ज्ञानिनुक्तानाम् एक भक्तिर विशिष्यते. He is focused in one focused devotion. What is that one focused devotion? No other option, okay. Unconditioned. Without expecting anything in return. Without expecting, why will I do? Will you take, you offer your services without any remuneration in return? Even if some food falls down, you remove it because you know otherwise I will only have to be the sufferer tomorrow, cockroaches and ants will be standing there. So without any remuneration, no human works, nothing. Absolutely without remuneration, no one works. Then what is the reason? You said without without no option, only option rather. She is saying that without any expectation I should do. What is the reason? Think, logically think. Yes, Jigar, why would you do devotion? Prabhuji is saying that's what I do.
We are meant to do that.
Correct. We have no other option. No, that's not the reason. That is, we are not forced to. That is the prime duty of ours. As a mother's duty is to love the child without any expectation, any force. फोर्स है, माँ पे फोर्स है, बच्चे को संभालो बोल के नहीं, फिर भी बच्चे को संभाल रही है. क्यों संभाल रही है? शी लव्स द चाइल्ड. सो all this unconditional, this and that is all okay. But what is more important is love. Simple love, which is actual love is unconditional. But हम लोग ने इस दुनिया में आके लव की एक ही परिभाषा सीखा है, आमा मारू फायदो सूचे. What do I benefit? If I love this boy, this fellow's father's got a lot of property. don't have to work where I can get inherit lot of money. If I love this girl, okay, जिसका बाप का बस बहुत पैसा है. If I in any relation today, it has become, out of all our relatives, generally the relation is very strong when the relative is financially strong. If the relative is financially weak, how many of us really want to keep in relation with that person? Though these are practical understandings of true day-to-day life, I am not denying. But this is the modulated love in this material world. Is dharti mein there is no love, there is only barter system. Or I am investing today, kal mujhe jaake returns milega. The day you come and tell, I am studying for medical, अच्छा है, फ्यूचर में अपना पैसा बच जाएगा, डॉक्टर बनेगा, फ्री में इलाज करेगा, immediate our calculation starts working that way. Is it true? Is it correct? That is why unconditional love, where there is no other thing other than love, fine, everything, blah, 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 right, good. But actual reason is, by default, our setting is to love God. Our setting is to love God, because उनको love नहीं करेंगे तो किसको love करेंगे? Because we are fragmental parts of the Lord, we are supposed to love Him. That is why, what is Lord teaching us? Ramchandra is teaching us. We are supposed to do our duty. He is my father, he is my mother, he is my brother, he is my sister, he is my wife, my son, my daughter. Do your duties towards them. With full dedication, one has to do his duties. There should be no compromise on that. But love, actual, unconditional love, what we call as, is towards only and only towards God. So that is why eka vishishyate priyo hi jnanino atyaharam. वो ज्ञानी जो है ना, मुझे बहुत प्रिय है. He is very, very dear to me. अहम सचा माम प्रियः, वो तो मुझे प्रिय ही है. क्यों? उसके लिए मैं प्रिय हूं. I am dear to him and he is dear to me. So that is what is the meaning of this. Lord has already said in the 4th chapter, ye yatha mam prapadyante tam seva bhajamyaham. As one surrenders to me, I reciprocate. आप जैसे मेरे तरफ बर्ताव करते हो, मैं उस हिसाब से आपसे उतना ही प्रेम करता हूं. So this is a second version of the same. Here Lord is saying the jnani is better. So out of the 4 good charactered people, or 4 category of the people, Artho, Jigyasu, Artharthi, Jnani. What is the certificate given? Who is the best? Jnani. So now, by default, we must be in any one of the 4 categories, all of us. Right? Somebody will be Artho, taklif hoga, financial problem, health issues, some issue or the other. Then Jigyasu, संडे घर में सोने से अच्छा है, थोड़ा सीख लेते हैं. भक्ति करना ना करना बात की बात है, वो बाद में सोचेंगे. पहला थोड़ा ले लेते हैं नॉलेज. जैसा कुछ लोग हैं, आई हैड वन फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, सब फील्ड में नॉलेज लिया उसने. ही डिडंट फॉलो एनी फील्ड. He took knowledge in astronomy, in philosophy, Bhagavad Gita, through Nirankarvad, to Sakarvad, this and that. And he uses all that knowledge only to keep on arguing things. But achieved nothing fruitful. With that he will argue. अरे उधर ऐसा बोलते हैं, इधर ऐसा बोलते हैं. अरे बाबा, if you are in America, live like an American. If you are in India, live like an Indian. How can you apply? वहां का रूल यहाँ पे, यहाँ का रूल वहां पे अप्लाई नहीं होता है. So they have collected knowledge, just they like it. So we don't want to go into those categories. We want to go into the category of ज्ञानी. ज्ञानी के कैटेगरी में जाना है. And how do we transcend to the category of ज्ञानी? How can we go?
एक भक्ति.
Okay.
Reading the Shastras
Basically reading the Shastra. Okay. Can anyone read the translation of the next verse?
All these devotees are undoubtedly
Magnanimous souls.
souls, but he who is situated in knowledge of me, I consider to be like my own self. Being engaged in my transcendental service, he is sure to attain me, the highest and most perfect goal.
That means what? The other three categories ka no guarantee. Other three categories, no guarantee. Here, I am not saying this. Lord is saying this. What is Lord saying? All these devotees, here all means Artho, Jigyasu, Artharthi and Jnani. All four are undoubtedly magnanimous souls. मतलब बहुत अच्छे लोग, great personalities. इसके लिए कभी कभी बोलते हैं अच्छा कुछ नहीं करता है उससे अच्छा कुछ तो कर रहा है ना, चलो करने दो. कुछ भक्ति नहीं कर रहा है, कम से कम ये कर रहा है, चलो. The all devotees are undoubtedly magnanimous souls, but he who is situated in knowledge of me, ज्ञानी, who is situated in knowledge of me, जो मेरे ज्ञान में स्थित है, I consider him just like my own self. मैं अपने आप जैसा मानता हूं. Means what? He treats you with equality. Lord treats you with equality. My transcendental service, being engaged in my transcendental service, he is sure to attain me. क्यों? वो भक्ति में लीन है, उसके फायदों के पीछे नहीं भागा. जो उसके फायदों के पीछे भाग रहा है वो उससे बड़ा बेवकूफ कोई नहीं है. एंड जो फायदों के पीछे भागता है ना, वो बहुत जल्द एथिस्ट बन जाता है. I'll tell you an example. Many people, quote unquote, I know someone from our circle, from my whole circle. He got some problem, health issue, and he was suffering. So the thing was he cannot eat, and lot of restrictions in his food habits and all. Rich guy, filthy rich guy. The immediate question came out was, I am doing so much of devotion. Why did God choose me for this act, for this punishment? All my friends are eating, all my other people are eating. I am not able to eat, I am not able to do these things. Yes, you can't live a normal life, you have to live a constrained life. Now, what does that got to do with this? He is blaming God for it. Once a devotee, he lost his child, small child. After a long time of marriage, they got a child and the child died. Immediately, they left total devotion. मैं भगवान का भक्ति किया मगर भगवान ने मेरे बच्चे को नहीं बचाया, तो मैं क्यों भक्ति करूं? What will you answer these people? Are they in knowledge? Are they ज्ञानी? They are coming in the other three category where they want something in return. मेरे को रिटर्न में चाहिए, रिटर्न में तू मुझे संभाल. अगर ऐसा रहता ना तो पांडव कभी के कृष्ण को बाय बाय बोलना चाहिए. From childhood the Pandavas were only suffering. They were only suffering from childhood. And what was the benefit of, what was the problem of their suffering in the childhood? They were all devatas coming from thing. No doubt. The Mahabharata is entirely enacting the story of the Vedas. You are given to understand how the Vedas are through a form of a story. How we should live our life as per the Vedas through the story form. But at no point Krishna tried to solve their problem. He helped them. Like, they are in one verse, okay, सूर्य पात्र दे दिया उन्होंने, अक्षय पात्र दे दिया, जिससे वो लोग खा सके. एंड वो उसने नहीं दिया, सूर्य देवता को बोला देने. He was third party watching. He didn't intervene anywhere. He didn't fight the war also. No point he fought. Entire Mahabharat he said, मैं अस्त्र नहीं उठाऊंगा, मैं ये नहीं करूंगा, वो नहीं करूंगा. So the bottom line is, one who is engaged in transcendental devotion, he is not jittered by these worldly problems. Right? You lose someone, you lose your job, you lose your money, you lose it. हो रहा है, होने दो. जो हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है, जो होने वाला है वो भी अच्छे के लिए होने वाला है. That should be the focus. I always tell the story ना, एक गांव में एक घोड़ा आ गया था. एक आदमी के खेत में घोड़ा आ गया, तो सब लोग आके बोला, अरे जंगली घोड़ा तुम्हारे हाथ में आ. घोड़े का कीमत कुछ लाखों में आता है, कितना लकी है, फ्री में घोड़ा मिल गया तुमको. आदमी क्या बोला, फायदा क्या नुकसान क्या सब राम जाने. फिर घोड़े को पकड़ने के लिए बेटा गया, बेटे को इतना कस के लात मारा, हाथ टूट गया, उसका हाथ पैर टूट गया. सब लोग बोला, अरे अरे तो वो घोड़े ने तुम्हारा बेटे का लात मार के हाथ पैर तोड़ दिया. ही सेड, फायदा क्या नुकसान क्या सब राम जाने. इतने में बड़ा वॉर आ गया. सब जवान लोगों को लेके गए वॉर में, क्योंकि इसका हाथ पैर टूटा था, इसको छोड़ दिया. वापस आके बोले सब लोग, अरे अच्छा हो गया, घोड़े ने तुम्हारा लड़के का हाथ पैर तोड़ दिया. हाँ, वो बच गया, हमें हमारा बच्चे लोग सब गए. ऑल आवर सन्स हैव गॉन टू द वॉर. इमीडिएटली व्हाट ही सेड, अच्छा क्या बुरा क्या सब राम जाने. So there is nothing called अच्छा, there is nothing called बुरा. If something bad is happening, think it is going to turn your route. It is going to turn you to a new doorway. It will turn you to a new doorway altogether. And this I have personally experienced. Today you all are sitting in this nice AC room and listening to this katha. But those senior students know in what conditions I have taken the katha. Under what place, in what place I have started, without any support. Without any support of any kind. How much of physical endeavor I have done, how much of mental endeavor I have done, only I know. People may see what you are today, but they don't know what you underwent 10 years before. But had that not happened, might be I would not have been in this seat. Had it not happened, had those sufferings I had not undergone those sufferings, those problems, coming to the temple, collecting the prasadam, putting it in repacking it in another set of bags, and then putting it down in the car, going to the class, taking in a class, and that too the class was in a municipal school, literally, as good as a municipal school. And I used to conduct the class with a few faithful, sincere students. And there, with all problems, all rains, it was a headache, coming over here, collecting the prasadam and going, and students were also new. None of my students knew how to pay obeisances also. At that time, when I underwent all that, what am I undergoing for all this? For what? What I am undergoing this pain for what? What am I going to get in return? But if one who does that bhakti is lost. Just wait. Do your devotion. Do your part of devotion. Rest things come and work on its own. You will be blessed. As per the surrender what you have done, you will be blessed. Very, very important. I am not talking something theoretical. I am talking something very much practical, which I myself, and proof for my students themselves are the proofs. Saturday morning we used to have class. We used to have class here Saturday morning because there was only slot available for us. But not only my lives have changed, even their lives have changed today much in the spiritual aspect. They are also experienced now miracles, lot of good things, everything has happened. So the bottom line is, don't think by taking up to devotion, life is going to be easy from the materialistic point of view or from the practical day-to-day life point of view. No, in fact life will change. But if anything bad is happening, think it is a doorway to something good. something good is awaiting you. Every bad incident in my life has opened my door to a new change. The very fact today I am sitting in front of you is because also one incident. That is the reason why I am sitting here. So, I consider them as my own self, and due to my transcendental service, those who are in knowledge, they will perform true transcendental service. True transcendental मतलब सही भक्ति मार्ग पकड़ के भक्ति करेंगे बिना फायदा नुकसान के, and they will attain me for sure, the most highest and the most perfect goal. बाकी 3 लोगों का कोई गारंटी नहीं है, 3 कैटेगरी लोगों के. What? Those who are आर्थो, जिज्ञासु, अर्थार्थी. ज्ञानी में रहने वाला व्यक्ति को बोलना नहीं पड़ता भक्ति कर. ज्ञानी में रहने वाले को बोलना नहीं पड़ता है do austerities, you have to do this, you have to do that. Yes, you have to do. They understand that very well, and they do it as a default setting. As if how certain things are default setting, what we call it. You open a laptop and automatically one setting opens. It's a default setting. You don't have to specially give a command to that. Similarly, a person in knowledge, he knows I should get up early, I should chant, I should do my devotional service, offer my food to the Lord. Basic. And nowhere you are supposed to give up your occupation, whatever occupation you are doing. You may be a computer person, you may be a office going banker, you may be a housewife, whatever it is. You do your devotion as per your slot, whatever you have been taken. And first and foremost, let's say someone says, I am already situated in Jnana, knowledge. So bye bye all of you all, I am going back to Godhead. Bhagavan ne bola. You have a certificate, right? First and foremost, we certify ourselves. That's why, judgment, generally एक word आता है ना, don't be judgmental. We judge people very fast. I am pure Sona, बाकी सब duplicate. I am the only pure Sona over here. Let's consider. Someone considers himself pure Jnani and he is going to go back. He says, I am going to go back. Will it happen or not? If it happens, yes, when? If no, when? Don't worry. Bhagavad Gita is giving the answer for this. Don't have to take so much attention. The very next shloka, Lord says, Bahu janmanamante jnanvan mam prapadyante vasudevam sarvamiti samatma sudurlabha. Lord is clearly saying this. Bahu janmanamante. एक जन्म में नहीं होने वाला है. बहु जन्माना ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यन्ते. प्रपद्यन्ते मतलब surrenders. With what? Vasudevam sarvamiti. Everything is Vasudev. Everything animate, inanimate, everything is Vasudev. जो व्यक्ति ये समझेगा, he is sure to go back to God. यहाँ पे लोग तो कृष्ण और राम के बीच में झगड़ा करते हैं. मैं कृष्ण भक्त हूँ, मैं राम भक्त हूँ. माता जी अगली बार से बच्चे को सुला के आना. So people keep fighting amongst silly things. My Ram is superior, my Vishnu is superior, my Narsinga Dev is superior, my Singh is superior, that's superior. And there is a race going on. दान देने से होने वाला. अच्छा मैं दान देता. प्रभु अभी कार्तिक महीने में आप दीप दान करो. अच्छा ठीक, डबल घी लगा के. ठीक है, करो. I am not saying it's not to be done, it is to be done. But it is not the end way of understanding, going into the category of Jnani. That is not the way in which you go into a Jnani category. Jnani category में रह जाना है तो पहला चीज तो बहुत जन्मों से भक्ति करना पड़ता है. बहुत जन्मानाम अंते, अंत में बहुत जन्मों के अंत के बाद मनुष्य पहले तो मनुष्य जन्म होना चाहिए, एंड उस बहु जन्मों में मनुष्य जन्म में थोड़ा 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 करके पुण्य या भक्ति का पुण्य जो कहते हैं ना, सुकृति, वो अर्जित करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू कलेक्ट. ये पूरा जन्म मेहनत किया, क्या हुआ? 1% डिवोशन मिला, ठीक है, वापस जन्म लेना पड़ेगा. माइट बी नेक्स्ट टाइम यू मे बी बॉर्न इन सम विलेज, विलेज के डीटी को करे करेंगे, वहाँ जाके सेवा करोगे. सेकेंड, थर्ड, 1%, 2%, 3% ऐसा कर कर करके इफ यू गो अप टू 50% ऑल्सो. बिकॉज द बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है ना, जो चेक करने वाला आंसर पेपर आपका, वो भगवान है. He is going to check your answer paper, and when he is going to check on what category he will say, what will he say? पहले बोल दिया उन्होंने, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्य मा फलेषु कदाचन. कोई जाके है ना, प्रभु जी मेरा तो बैक टू गॉडेड पक्का श्योर है, मैं डीटी में सेवा करता हूँ. प्रभु जी मैं रोज सुबह भागवतम पढ़ता हूँ. वेरी गुड. प्रभु जी मेरा रोज नित्य एक चैप्टर भगवत गीता पढ़ने का रहता है. वेरी गुड. These are all good. I am not saying they're bad. They're excellent, not good. They're excellent. But they are not the end. All this in the end should culminate on Vasudevam Sarvamiti. If one doesn't culminate on this, and this is very difficult, because then it will slightly show as if it is going towards Nirankar Bhagavan. The Lord is saying, भूमि आपो अनलो वायु खम मन बुद्धि रेवचर अहंकार इत्य में भिन्न प्रकृति अष्टदा. लॉर्ड इज क्लियरली सेइंग भूमि आपो अनलो वायु, ये जो पंच तत्व जो है, एयर वाटर फायर ईथर स्काई, ऑल दीज आर माइन. एंड यू गॉट टू सी, डेवलप योर आई, यू नो, योर नॉलेज, योर आई ऑफ नॉलेज टू सी, ओह इवन दिस चाइल्ड इज वासुदेव, इवन दिस स्टैंड इज वासुदेव, एवरीवेयर वन हैज टू सी वासुदेव. Then you are situated in Jnani, and then your ticket will be issued. It is as difficult as booking for Chitrakoot. Yes. By the time you open the laptop, it's coming regret. It is more tougher than that also. That's why बहुजन्मा न मानती. बहुत जन्म लगेगा आपको. But बहुत जन्म में लगने के, अच्छा, इफ यू आर एबल टू गेट दिस वेरी क्लियर, कैन यू गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाउ और हु शोड दिस वासुदेवम सर्वमिति? कैन एनीवन शो मी फ्रॉम शास्त्र एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट? दैट इज व्हाई he could get liberated at that very young age itself. Who was doubting? हिरण्यकशिपु was doubting. तेरा विष्णु इस खंबे में है, उस खंबे में है, उस खंबे में है. What did he say? I can see Vishnu in all khamba. You cannot see, that is your problem, not my problem. Because you cannot see God in anything. I can see God in everything. Lord has already said, now you will understand the meaning of the verse. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi suryo vedyasaham, what is that? नहीं अभी हुआ ना, यही चैप्टर में आया, देखो स्टार्टिंग में, रसोम अपसुकोंते प्रभास्मि शशि is saying, I am the taste in water. That means what? See me in water also. Bija mam sarva bhutanam. I am the seed of every being. Prabhasmi shashi surya. I am the sunlight, I am the moonlight. So don't say, वो सन मून है. मैं अपना है ना, मेरा घर का जो डीटी है या मेरा मंदिर का फेवरेट मंदिर का जो डीटी है ना, उस डीटी के अंदर ही भगवान बैठा है. Till that stage, you are not completely matured in devotion. You are not matured in devotion. You are offering the fruit. The fruit also is God. This by mercy of the God, the fruit has got the sweetness, the fruit has developed its essence, whatever flavor. If it is a flower, it has got its essence. Nobody has injected the essence. Vasudevam Sarvamiti. This Prahlad Maharaj exhibited this very clearly. By any khamba you touch, Vasudev. उसको डाउट है, एक खंबे में नहीं रहेगा. And what is that shloka? I am forgetting. Bhagavatam, there is a nice shloka. Satyam Vidatum Nidhi Bhakti Bhashitam. Why did Lord come out of that khamba or that pillar? Satyam Vidatum. To make the words of my devotee true. He could have also played games, right? God is free to play games. He could have come from the next pillar. Hide and seek. He could have come from the other pillar, not from this pillar. And caught him from behind also. He said, no, Satyam Vidatum Nidhi Bhakti Parashitam. He says, मेरा भक्त जो कह रहा है ना, इस खंबे में है, बोला हाँ है, उसका शब्द मुझे पूरा करना है, मैं तो हर कण में हूं. I am there in every grain. Vishnu means what? Every anu. Vyaptum, I am pervading. Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita, what is the first shloka, Prabhu?
10th chapter.
हाँ 10.8 ना 10.
8, 9, 10.
हाँ बोलो क्या है? Keep revising. Very important. One should keep revising. Otherwise, knowledge gained will be lost as much as knowledge, money earned in life are also lost. It's a true fact. आप जैसे पैसे कमाते हो मगर उसको आप बार बार गिनते रखते हो ना. हाँ, एक बंडल है, 2 बंडल है, जितना भी बंडल है गिनते हो ना. क्यों? यू हैव टू कीप रिवाइजिंग. नो, यू हैव टू कीप. मेरा अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट अभी क्या है, ये महीने का मंथली स्टेटमेंट क्यों आता है? अपडेटिंग. सो इसे आपने जो भी शास्त्र पढ़ा है ना. हाँ क्या बोले आप?
अहम सर्वस्य प्रभो मतलब सर्व प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा
भजन्ते माम बुधा भव संमिता. हाँ बोलो, व्हाट इज द वर्ड्स प्रभु? कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दिस? अहम सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत सर्वम प्रवर्तते. I am pervading in everything. If the chair is standing, it's because of me. The water is flowing, it is because of me. Aham sarvasya prabho mata sarvam pravartate. From me everything comes. Iti matva bhajante maam. ये जानते हुए जो भजन कर भूता भाव समन्विता. We are understanding, we are reading this Vasudevam Sarvamiti, but we are not ready to understand it. We are not able to accept it. And rather, more than that, we are not able to implement it. We are not able to implement it. That is why our karma kand is divided very nicely. 3 categories. I have always told. What can Devi Devatas give you? Which is there in your prarabdha. जो आपके प्रारब्ध में है वो देवी देवता दे सकते हैं. जो आपके प्रारब्ध में नहीं है वो शिव जी दे सकते हैं. और ये दोनों के ऊपर भगवान विष्णु क्या दे सकते हैं? मोक्ष, जो ये दोनों नहीं दे सकते. नाउ विच वन डू यू वांट? बोला वो सब पढ़ने का ज्ञान करेंगे. I sitting here in the chair, I enjoy a lot, you know. When I ask recap, no. उसके पहले क्या बुक खोलेंगे, ग्लैंस करेंगे. It's a very enjoyable seat, I'll tell you this. बोलो. Very clear. देवी देवतास प्रारब्ध कर्म को जल्दी करके दे सकते हैं. आपने 16 शुक्रवार 16 सोमवार ये वो व्रत किया तो आपको आपके प्रारब्ध में है. लेट्स से यू आर डेस्टिन्ड टू हैव ए चाइल्ड बट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ए चाइल्ड. यू आर डूइंग दैट व्रत, इमीडिएटली योर चाइल्ड कम्स और योर मैरिज, व्हाटएवर इट इज, आई मीन जॉब, प्रमोशन, व्हाटएवर इट इज. सेकंड, इज नॉट देयर, नो चाइल्ड इज नॉट देयर इन योर प्रारब्ध, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट, शिव जी कैन चेंज इट. From some other birth he can give you a child. But these two cannot give you moksha. Only top category, Vishnu can give you moksha. Top category, a special category. I never call it top category because all three are important. So please remember, to live in this material world, you know, it's like I'll just modify the question, then you will understand the relevance of this question. Let's say your mother. For any man or a woman, a mother is a very worshipable personality. and your mother, you are young, your mother takes care of you, feeds you, puts you the best dress, gives you cooks for you the best meal, whatever it is. And after a few years, now this mother goes old. Let's say an example, you're a boy. The mother goes old. And now, your wife is beautiful. She has entered your life. She is cooking the best meal for you. She is taking care of your necessities, your clothes, everything. What all duties your mother used to do, now your wife is doing. So at this point, should you discard your mother?
No.
Why? She is of no use to me, right? Technically speaking, she is of no use to me. So should I discard? Then what? The same applies, the same law applies when it comes to Devi Devatas, when it comes to Shivji, when it comes to Vishnu. Now I hope you understand the relevance very easily. To survive in this material world, you need the blessings of Devi Devatas. To achieve something more greater, to survive in this material world, again will be Shivji. Both these categories of personalities, Devi Devatas and Shivji, can offer you things which can be utilized only in this material world. आपका जीवन खत्म, जो भी चीज आपको दिया है उसके साथ आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. पैसे का क्या करोगे? मर गया तो क्या पैसे से कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. बीबी है, बच्चा है, क्या करोगे? आप मर गए तो बीबी करके क्या करोगे? बच्चे को रख के क्या करो? So nothing is going to happen. Your promotion, your job, you are 60 years, you are retired, and what will you do with your? अरे नहीं यार, बहुत उपवास करके जॉब मिला था तो मिला था. Now you will have to retire at that time. And the last is moksha, which is you can enjoy only after death. By living, you cannot enjoy. So, there is a very famous एक tagline है, जीवन के साथ भी जीवन के बाद में. क्या कोई LIC का है ना, कोई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का है ना, हाँ, जो भी है, जीवन के साथ भी जीवन के बाद भी. तो जीवन के साथ के लिए क्या कौन चाहिए? So you should respect all Devi Devatas. You should respect and worship Devi Devatas. But worship and love or devotion is two different things altogether. You may not disrespect. आप किसी भी देवी देवता को डिसरेस्पेक्ट मत करो. बट अभी आप बोलेंगे प्रभु जी आपने सीक्रेट बोल दिया, जिंदा रहना है, अच्छा खुश रहना है, तो मुझे सिर्फ देवी देवता और शंकर जी का पूजा करना है, तो विष्णु का क्यों करूं? एकादशी क्यों पालन करूं? हाँ, तुलसी माँ का पूजा क्यों करूं? तुलसी का करके भगवान को अर्पण क्यों करूं? भगवान का भक्ति क्यों करूं? मैं शिव जी का भक्ति करती हूँ, इसका भक्ति करती हूँ. दैट टाइम प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, when you know you are going to die, when you are going to retire, don't you prepare for your retirement much earlier? रिटायरमेंट के पहले पैसे जमा करके रखते हो ना, अब रिटायर होने के बाद पगार तो आने वाला नहीं है. आई हैव टू सेव एंड कीप. सो यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ. कुछ नहीं, 4 दिन बंद होने वाला है, ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया, ट्रांसपोर्ट स्ट्राइक हो गया, इमीडिएटली यू स्टॉक ऑल योर necessary things, grains and all those things. Why? नहीं अभी स्ट्राइक होने वाला है या ये कुछ भी होने वाला है. That means you prepare for things which you are not going to enjoy immediately, but on a few days. Similarly, death is sure. Lord has also said, Jatasya dhruvam mrityu, dhruvam janmam mrityasya cha, tasmad apariyararthe, natam sochad marasi. One is going to born is sure to die, and one is going to die is sure to be born again. In that case, please remember, मरने के बाद के लिए, मोक्ष के लिए भी इसी जिंदा शरीर में रहते हुए आपको करना पड़ेगा. So that is why all 3 categories are important. But the most important is the category is, ठीक है, ये जिंदगी मिल गई, उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत मैंने देवी देवता का पूजा कर लिया. But your most focused or the heavy focus should be on not taking birth again. But since Lord himself has said, बहु जन्माना मनते, बहुत सारे जन्म लेने पड़ेंगे, तो पंगा किसी से ले लेना मत. किसी से भी पंगा लेना. Don't disrespect anyone. Respect everyone. बोले कोई जरूरत, मेरा लिबरेशन गारंटीड है. And on the D-Day, the day your wicket falls, you're born again. किसके हाथ में जाओगे वापस? वही देवी देवता पकड़ेंगे. क्या उड़ रहा था? मेरे पास आया ना, हाँ, इंसल्ट कर रहा था ना मेरे को, मेरा उपहास कर रहा था. शास्त्र says, you know, in Narayan Kavach, there is one shloka which says, please forgive me for those Devi Devata temples who are on the way which I did not bow down to. रास्ते में हम लोग गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं, कोई कोने में माता जी का मंदिर है, के कोने में गणपति का मंदिर है, you know what, any देवी देवता may be there. South you go, Muruga's temple, this temple, Ganpati temple is common in South and all. Every turn में रहेगा आपको. अगर आप सबको प्रणाम करते जाओगे, गया ऑफिस नहीं जा सकेगा. You can't reach office. So many. So what do? You pray for mercy, forgiveness. Baba, please forgive me. There were many, but it's not practical. So you have to beg for forgiveness. This is in Narayan Kavach. In Bhagavatam it is there. It is not in my own household production. It is there in Bhagavatam. So please remember, you have to respect Devi Devatas. You have to respect Shivji. You have to respect, of course, the Supreme God. You are not only respect, you got to love Him unconditionally. So this is the crux. If you want to be a jnani in the true sense, to understand, yes, everything is Vasudev, but Vasudev is the original owner. Let's say any company, there is an owner. A company, in your company also there will be an owner. But is the owner coming personally and giving you the salary? No. There is a manager who gives you a salary, an HR department or whatever department. So you can't disrespect, hey, I know the boss. What are you? You are HR, at last. The HR will barabar dekhega. So this is also a part of Gyan. There's still a lot of things to be discussed. We will continue next week. Hare Krishna. And we will continue it next week, this topic a little